I just wanted to sort of let you know that we've opened the studio up. Some of you do know, some of you don't know. But we opened our private studio up in the centre of Loughborough. And basically, we've been doing a lot of work behind the scenes. Not only that, we've been working with the clients that I already had. And basically, what I wanted to do was just give you a little look around of the studio, just so you can see. And also let you know that basically we've now opened up to new clients. We're now starting to take on new clients. We've currently got a 21-day trial running. Okay, where you can test out our team training and our semi-private training. It's only £75 for 21 days. We'll give you a nutrition guide. We'll give you everything you need to get you started and kickstart your journey. So if that's of interest to you, then hit the button below. We'll send you any further details on it all. But I just wanted to give you a quick walk around the gym. As you can see behind us, we've got the squat racks. Just there, I'll back up. So we've got the squat racks, got TRX, where we do all our bang for our buck exercises, especially for leg work. Got another squat rack there. We've got some torture devices. Looks like something out of 50 Shades of Grey. Joking. Basically, they're special hanging devices that we put our arms into, and it helps work stuff for our abdominal muscles and tummy. We've got some bands to help with adding some resistance, and we can use them for certain types of exercises too, to change the variables. We've got barbells. If you can see down here, you can see the bars. So basically they're for deadlifts, nothing too scary, I hope. Then round here we've got some more conditioning kit down there. You see these, all these are what we call slam balls and medicine balls. We generally use them in our team training, which is very much like a circuit form of training. We've got the assault bike. This gets this heart rate going drastically, and everyone knows it. We've got the boxes, back extension for training lower back muscles, bum muscles, and back of the legs. Dumbbell rack. Kettlebells. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Kettlebells are all down there. Foam rolling for helping with mobility and stretch work. And then we've got some sandbags and valve slides. I'm just going to walk you up the stairs. I'm just going to show you what else we've got up here. So a lot of you don't know, like, we've got 2 floors. We're currently using downstairs only while we're still building and growing and adding new members to the business. Then we'll gradually add some more stuff. If you can see, rubber flatting's all down. And this is part of the upstairs studio. And then you can see behind me, got all our books for reading, which you're more than welcome to have a look at while you're here. And while you're here, you can enjoy a nice coffee. All of our clients get free coffee. Pre or post training, it's completely up to you. That's something else that we do because I want people to get involved, have a chat, make new friends maybe. And then we've got the bathroom. So, as you can see, not many people know, we do actually have showers. Although the boiler is broke at the moment, sorry, but it will be working within the next week or so. But we've got these nice, I don't know if you can see that, nice soak shower heads. So, and ladies, look what we have, a hairdryer. So, we're just making sure that you're covered from all angles. But more importantly, I just wanted just to show you around the gym. Like I say, if you've got any requirements from us, if you need any help with anything on a more personal level, then just hit the button below or drop me a message. One of us will respond. I know we've been a little bit quiet in here. I know Shane's been putting stuff in, but things have been a bit manic since opening up the studio, and basically it's been very full on, and we're now, like I say, now taking on new clients, and I just wanted just to give you an update. So for those of you that don't really know that we've opened the studio up, I just wanted to show you around, give you a little look about. And like I say, if you need any help from us, add some comments below. If you want to talk more about what we do here, then again, just drop us a message below, and one of us will get back to you. Me or Claire will respond and have a chat with you. So I look forward to hearing from you all soon. Take care, people.